I thought I'd do a quick video on how to back up your files on your Seestar to your desktop computer for safe storage, especially when you're running out of free space on your Seestar. It's nice to be able to free up space and know that you still have your originals archived away on your computer. So first step obviously is to turn on the Seestar and let it boot up, and when it's finally fully ready, you can connect your USB-C cable to your desktop, and that automatically pops up, which is the Seestar, and your files are in the My Works folder, which my mouse doesn't seem to work right, but right there's where they're located. You can minimize that, and I like to use a program that I found called Free File Sync. Yeah, I'm not going to do that right now. It says to update. I'm not going to update right now. We'll use the existing one. But since I have done this before, my file path is f:/myworks, which is the Seestar. I'm going to compare them, and then I'm going to mirror one way to my folder, which I've got set up as Seestar Backups. Okay, and just to show you, I've done this before. There's, oops, wrong one. Let's do this one. And if you notice, Seestar Backups, I keep it in my Astronomy folder with everything else, so it's easy to find and so forth. So you can minimize that, and let's go over here and let's do a comparison. And it says 15.4 gig. Not all of those will need to be synced because some of them are old files that I have synced before. So you start the sync and start, and there it goes. And once it gets finished, I will come back to the video. It's still running. We're almost there. I'll come back to you when it's finished. Okay, we're just finishing up here. And as soon as it is complete, you'll get that message. And it backed up 15.4 gigabytes of data that was on my Seestar into the folder. So if there were any errors, they would pop up and give you an idea of what the update error was, and you can go from there. This program, I believe, runs or has a version also for the Mac if you're a Mac user, but works very well for me. And just for grins, let's go see and look at that folder, and it's Seestar Backups. And there they all are, all the subs, all the final images and so forth, they're all there. Hope this helps. Oh, and by the way, you can actually copy these folders with all of the information. Like for instance, this one here. You'll have multiple sessions data that will be all piled into the one file, or folder I should say, and you can take all of that data and copy it back to the Seestar if you want to run the Deep Sky Stacker in the Seestar. So you can move these files either way. It's just like an external hard drive that you can move those files to. So hope this helps, and thanks for watching.